Hi guys, my name is ashusaxenabusiness and today I want to show you guys how to create a makeup base. It took me a long time to find out what will work for my skin, and I think even after watching a lot of videos online I couldn't figure out, because the way a lot of YouTubers tell us to do is it didn't work for me. After a long trial and error, I thought that I figured it out. Finally I figured out what works for me. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a makeup base, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's jump onto the video. So the first thing that is very essential for a makeup base is a lot of moisturizer, because you apply powder and a lot of layer on your face. It tends to dry out your skin and extend your pores. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Vaseline body lotion, and I'm going to take it on my hand in a very huge amount. Like, I'm not taking tiny bit. As you can see, I'm taking a lot of it. So I'm going to gently rub it on my face, all over my neck. So the next step is sunscreen, because sunscreen is essential. Like, it's the biggest anti-aging product that we negotiate or neglect all our entire lives. So I have developed this routine where I first apply a layer of moisturizer right after I come out of the shower, so that I don't miss my sunscreen even if I'm going out or not. So I'm going to use the LAKME SPF 20 sunscreen. I have this, so I'm using this. You can use whatever you have. Now we are going to take the first step towards our makeup, which is a primer. So I'm using this LAKME Absolute Primer. If you have a primer, it's fine. If you don't have a primer, it's fine, and you don't have to buy it, because I don't like this primer, but I bought it, so I have to use it anyway. So I'm taking some of it on my hand, and then I'm going to gently rub it all over my face. So now primer is done, and we are going to move on to our foundation, which is the LAKME Mousse foundation. So I don't use a lot of it. I use tiny amount of it, like you can see. The worst thing is it kind of pops out all over your face. Now we are going to move on to concealer. It is by a brand called Freedom London. It's a bit moisturizing, that's why I'm using it, because in winter you just don't have moisturizer. So I'm taking this amount and I'm going to pack it underneath my eyelids and on my nose, and just gently. I'm also going to take a big and apply on the side like this. So yeah, and now we are up to our last steps, which is so I'm taking this LAKME COMPAQ, and I'm taking a fluffy brush, taking a slightly bit, because when you're even during winter you tend to, you know, we have less moisture on our face, so if you'll use a lot it will make your face look dry, which we don't want. And I have already very dry skin, so I'm taking a very light bit, and I'm going to just gently press so that everything just stays at its place. And um, this makeup base is great for everyday look, and if you want, you know, any certain special occasion, you can definitely, you know, increase the amount of product and cover it a bit more. But this is the basic I use. So basically these are all that I use, and it has skincare as well as you know, makeup in it. So yeah, that will conclude my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.